Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the rainbow bouquet during the rainbow event in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure that the rainbow event is active. You can check it on your watch. And now the event is active. And then the rainbow bouquet will spawn in front of your home. Okay, this is the rainbow bouquet bubble and you need to pop the bubble to get the rainbow bouquet. During the rainbow event, guys, there are 3 floating rainbow bouquets you can collect, and a rainbow bouquet grants a 30-minute buff. When activated, you and nearby members get a 30-minute blessing that improves the star rating of fishing, cooking, insect catching, and more hobbies. Okay, I just popped the bubbles outside my house, and then I'm going to find the other rainbow bouquets, guys. For the location, it will be different for every event, but the fixed location is outside your house. So you can always find the rainbow bouquet outside your house during the rainbow event. Okay, and for the next location, I found it at the central square right here. And wait, let me try to pop the bubble. Okay, and for the next one, it's still at the central square. It's right there, and I'm going to pop the bubble. For the next event, maybe the location will be different or it can also be the same. You can check it at the Central Island, at the Anson Mountain, or at the Flower Field. These are the possible locations for the rainbow bouquets. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the rainbow bouquets in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!